Open your mind. You don't need your arms, you don't need your eyes, you don't need your dolls, you don't need your money, you don't need your resource to take a decision. You only need to listen. Your heart, your brain, your mind. Open your mind, your reasons, your fears, your courage, your freedom, and believe that you take good decisions at every moment, such as I don't choose when I was diagnosed with Asperger syndrome and I live with this passenger. You don't need to explain anything, it's true, and you don't need to require forgiveness of anybody. Only you need to offer the best about you in the job, but first with your family and with your people, because at the end of your life it's very easy, or I prefer to say it's very simple. Open your mind.